Up next we have is Maryland. Alright. Look at Maryland's face. Cute, is it? Oh. It's a Ukraine tsunami! Oh, it stopped. Oh. No! It's Madagascar. Oh my god. She's listening to I Like to Move It, which from the movie Madagascar. Move on. Jordan. Got hurt. I don't know, Jordan, but I think you're too long to play basketball. Brooklyn Blood Pop! Woohoo! This is Brooklyn Blood Pop! I'm jamming to this! Woo! Oh, look at her. She has animation now. Unlike the rest of the countries, they don't have animation, but they do have movements. Oh. Just look at her. Oh. Italy LT. France swearing. Why France? Seychelles! What is your problem? Sierra Leone. He's screaming because something is about to happen. That's just a movement, not animation. It's Peru. Why is she screaming? Mozambique 1923 and Uruguay 2013. That looks like a Morse code, to be honest. India, Japan! Ha ha ha! Look at these freaks. New Zealand ALT modified. What does modified mean? What does modified mean? What the hell is that? Alright, this is getting too loud. Make it stop! Alright. No! Don't get contact of me! Holy crap! Oh no. Don't get close to me! No! Don't get close to me! Holy crap! What the hell is your problem? Oh, what the hell is that? Oh my god, I'm terrified! What the hell? Oh my god. Oh, what was that? Western Sahara. I don't know what you're talking about. Where's my hat? Hawaii and North Korea. Hey, there's a nuclear bomb over there! Never seen this in reality. Back in 1965. Arizona, and there's Peru and Hawaii. Too lazy to add Ukraine. There's Arizona! Rest in peace, ESSR. Estonia from 1984 is crying because Honduras from 1907. Honduras is dreaming about a ghost. I don't know what's wrong with Honduras, but did you hear that gulp? Russia, the USSR died. Uzbekistan, Latvia, Lithuania, Ukraine, Turkmenistan, Kazakhstan, Russia, Kyrgyzstan, I don't know. I mean Tajikistan, Armenia, Moldova, Belarus, Georgia, Azerbaijan, and Kyrgyzstan are sad, except for Estonia because she's crying all of a sudden. Vietnam. All right, let's just move on. Alright, move on right now. Alright, that's Vietnam, along with Mongolia, who are surrounded by guns. Alright, Uzbekistan is up next. Alright, this is gonna be the final part, I guess. Vatican City 2012. The year I was born. She became a SpongeBob face. Lithuania LT, Argentina LT, and Antarctica. Wow, what a crazy band they're performing right now! Lithuania and Antarctica are male, and Argentina is a female. Cocos Islands. Oh. It's 12 o'clock. It's Montana! Probably because Montana thinks that Dream Island is missing. Because Leafy stole it. Come on. Alright, Liberia. Okay. Oh. It's Nebraska. Why don't we get a Massachusetts one instead of just... Sounds similar to Siren Head. I totally agree with that. Alright. Make it stop. It's getting so annoying. Oh, what's next? Malta from 1943. Sad and depressed. It's playing Pop Goes the Weasel on a music box. Unfortunately, this is the last one ever. Hang on. Oh. Sudan suggests the audience to say goodbye. Breaks the fourth wall. And he has like midden hands. And then he fades away. Well, it's time to say goodbye to EAS Alarm's reaction animated. I'm not crying right now, but luckily I get to do some more gaming videos as well. What gaming should I do? I know what I should play. I should play Zombie Tsunami because I haven't played that in a while. Alright. Wait, no. I don't want to do some gaming videos. I might just have to stick around. Well, I'll see you guys in the next episode. I'll come back later.